Hi friends, today we are going to learn about explain areas in MVC. Areas in MVC, areas are used to partition a large MVC application into smaller manageable sections, enabling better organization and separation of concerns. This is particularly useful for large-scale applications where different sections of the site can be developed and maintained by different teams for modularizing different parts of your application. Each area is essentially a self-contained section within the application that can have its own controllers, views, and models. Areas helps to avoid clutter in the main part of your project and keep the structure organized. When to use areas in MVC? The first point is large applications. When building a large applications with a multiple sections, example admin panel, user facing site, API endpoints, etc. Using areas helps separate those sections logically. Modularization. When you want to keep parts of your application self-contained, like a blog, shopping cart, forum, each of these features could be an area. Team collaboration. Different teams can work on different areas of the application without stepping on each other's toes. Benefits of using areas. Modularization. Areas help organize your application into separate modules, example admin, user, blog, etc. Cleaner code base. As your application grows, areas help to keep the project organized, making it easier to maintain. Independent development. Developers working on different areas can work independently without interfering with each other's code. Separation of concerns helps keep controller logic, views, and models specific to each area, making the application more maintainable. So friends, this is all about areas in MVC. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends.